In today's video, I'm going to share with you a secret tool you can use to create proven, successful, profitable Facebook ads. So this video is for credit repair service providers that want to attract profitable clients without networking, posting on social media, or begging for referrals. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the kid who did. I am Olin Douglas, the #1 digital marketing consultant for 6, 7, and 8-figure credit repair business owners, and also the founder of the 7-Day Credit Repair Lead Challenge, where for 7 days I teach you guys how to grow, automate, and sell high-ticket credit repair services. So as you know, or you may not know, if you're not generating leads on a daily basis, you don't have a sustainable business. For any company that's truly looking to grow and turn their business into a life-changing source of income, it needs to be predictable. So, sorry to break it to you, networking, relying on referrals isn't going to get you there. You need a proven marketing system that works 24/7 to line up opportunities to get you more and more clients each and every day. As you all know, the #1 advertising tool in the world is Facebook ads. But the #1 problem I get from my students is they feel like they're burning a hole in their pocket trying to grow their credit repair business when using Facebook ads. And the reason that is because they do not know how to create a profitable Facebook ad. So with that being said, I want you to imagine that you can leverage the resources of $1 million credit repair companies that already tested the best ads, spent their money failing on testing ads. They spent their money on seeing which ad is the best quality ad that's actually generating them the better results. What if it was a tool that you can see which ads are working in the industry and which ads are not working in the industry? And the reason I want to show you this is because this is just a sample of some of the things that you'll learn in my 7-Day Credit Repair Lead Challenge, which is to work smarter and not harder. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars creating Facebook ads. You don't know if it's going to work or not. What you need to do is model what's already working. So we're about to head into my computer, and I'm going to share with you how you can find the most profitable Facebook ads that are working right now that you can model and use for your own company. Okay, now that we're into my desktop, hopefully you're going to go to Google. I recommend Google Chrome, and you're just going to type in Facebook Ad Library. Now, Facebook Ad Library provides advertising transparency by offering a comprehensive, searchable collection of all ads currently running across Facebook and Instagram. That's what it says right there. So basically, because of the privacy issues, Facebook has released every single ad that's ever ran on their platform for the public. So now you can do marketing research on what's that best performing Facebook ad that's working in the credit repair industry, that's attracting the best quality client, best quality lead, best converting ads. All you have to do is click here, right here. And once you click here, what you're going to do is bada bang, bada boom. Go here. You're going to go to all ads. You're going to type in credit repair. Press enter. Now, this is the important part. You're going to want to put on your filters. The reason you're going to want to put on your filter because the whole premise of this is that you need to understand who's been running their ads for the longest, because ads cost money. So therefore, the longer they've been running the same ad, the most profitable that ad is. Because obviously they're making money for it, or they're just, like spending lots of money. But more than average, they're making money from the ad. So you want to go here. Also, you want to click on video, because video ads are the highest converting ads in the credit repair industry. So you want to go in active. Not only that, this is going to help you from not getting your ad account disabled, because these are proven ads that work, that Facebook already deem as working. So, you know, they're not going to ban your ad account when you're launching. So you want to go at least 3 months from your current date. So date range on or before. So it is the 29th of July while I'm recording this video. I'm just going to go all the way from May to July and apply 3 filters. And voila, these are the highest converting ads in the credit repair. Right now, all these companies have been running ads. They've been running ads since July. Right here, this one, July, and as you go down, you can see the ads that are working. It's working. Not only that, you can see the best descriptions of what's working. You just see what's working in the space, and now all you have to do is play them.
Hey, what's going on? It's Joel.
And now you can get a kind of advertising, marketing, Facebook ad strategy together. So if you look in the link below, what I'll do is I have a special teleprompter app that you can use, and you can listen to some of these videos and model what these people are doing, create your own video ad, and then put it on Facebook. So, you know, that is how you find out the best working Facebook ads that's working. But the thing is, what you're going to find out is you have to know where to send these people when they click on your ad. So that's why in the 7-day, when you register, when you enroll into my 7-day credit repair challenge, I'm going to actually give you the funnel that's made one of my clients $70,000 in the last 3 months. In this funnel, it's going to come with an automation system. So that means it's going to follow up with your leads by the system's going to follow up with your leads. Also, there's going to be a particular survey that qualifies your leads so that you're always getting the highest quality lead inside this funnel. And I'm going to kind of show you where you need to be sending your leads to and kind of how this works, which this is exactly in my 7-day credit repair challenge, which I will be doing live. So you want to enroll so that you can kind of follow me step by step, and then you can able to ask questions. So make sure you enroll in that. So if we go here, so for example, this is one of my clients. They made $6 million so far. But if we go and look at the last 3 months, they've generated a lot of leads actually. And this is a system that you're going to be getting when you enroll in the 7-day credit repair lead challenge. You'll get this system free for 14 days. It's already going to come with the funnels. It's already going to come with the automation systems. And in the 7-day credit repair lead challenge, I'm going to teach you how you're going to I'm going to teach you this secret targeting that you need to use once you create your ads from the Facebook ad library. Once you look at the Facebook ad library, you're going to see which ads that you're going to need to use to send them to this funnel. And once you send it to this funnel, in the 7-day credit repair lead challenge, you're going to get a secret survey qualification page on your funnel, which is going to enable you to get the best quality leads possible. Like you said, he made $70,000 in the last maybe like 2 or 3 months. So with that being said, I hope that you take this information, you go to Facebook ad library, you look at the highest performing ads, you create a great Facebook ad, and then you join the 7-day credit repair lead challenge, where I'm going to share with you exactly what to do when you create that Facebook ad, as far as the Facebook ad targeting, as far as where you're going to send the people that click on your Facebook ad to qualify them, and also how to sell them at prices $700 to $1,800 to honestly, one of my clients is selling their credit repair services for $25,000, and I'm going to go over that as well. So I look forward to for y'all joining, and leave me a comment or share this and let me know what it is that I can do to help you guys grow your credit repair business faster, stronger, and smarter, and eventually automate it and turn your hustle into a full-time business. Thank you, and make sure you share this. Leave a comment. Show me some love. Peace.